Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, I will show you how to style and customize layers in Slider Revolution to make your slides look great. We will start by editing fonts, colors, and animation to match your brand, then move on to adding effects like shadows, borders, and gradients. Finally, I will walk you through how to adjust the size and position of each layer to get the perfect layout for your design. Layer styling and customizations are key to make your slides stand out. This helps you create a professional, polished look that effectively highlights the services you are offering. To style the layers, first select the layer you want to edit. In the right panel, you will see the options to change color, fonts, and adding animations. You can also adjust the size, position, and even add effects to make each layer to fit your service's presentation perfectly. Let's demonstrate the visual effects in Slider Revolution. Let's use this chair image as an example. First, select the chair image from Layers Timeline. Then, go to the Style tab on the right. Under the shadows, adjust the blur and distance to depths. Next, choose the border color and thickness that fits your design. Finally, scroll to the background and add gradient. Play with the directions and colors to make it stand out. These changes give your layer more impact and polished look. To adjust layers' dimension and positioning in Slider Revolution. In Size and Position tab on the right, you will find controls for width, height, and alignment. You can either enter specific values or drag the layer directly on the canvas to resize its position. Use the grid and snapping guides to ensure everything stays aligned. This gives you full control over the layout, making sure each element fits perfectly to your design. That sums up styling and designing customized layers in Slider Revolution. Subscribe for more videos